Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade?
Me. I'm gonna trade this.
Okay, I want to trade this squishy, the rarest one ever you see.
Rarest one, but I think this is a messy.
You're gonna add two. This, you're gonna add. You say like a dumb with me. Add.
I'm gonna say no now.
No.
Not this.
Okay.
But we have this in the middle.
Okay.
Right.
I'm gonna trade again this. Sorry for that.
Alright, I'm gonna trade my soul legendary one.
Okay, accept.
It's hard to do. See.
Okay. Go to part.
Wow.
Part 6, 7. Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade?
Me,
Yes.
of course.
Okay, you back now. Okay, I want to trade this.
I want to trade this.
Okay, accept.
Yes.
Guys, this is the rarest.
Oh my god.
I love him. Pwede man yung lokal.
Let's have
Okay. Go to part 6, 7, or 78. Bye-bye. 8. Who wants to trade?
I am too fidget.
Who
No.
wants to trade?
Me.
Okay, accept.
And please have no fidget.
You're gonna ban me. You think I'm really sorry. Accept. So accept.
Add.
No. This.
It's love it.
Love it. I have a squish.
Oh, I have so many things. Hey!
Sorry.
That's no fair. Love it. Wait, love it.
Okay, I love that too. Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye. Go
Punta
to part.
nagkanto ako sa no country.